Alright, so in this next video, what we'll talk about is the image and text flow shortcode. So essentially what this does, it basically creates an image along with text on the side of it. So what we'll need to do is just once again go to our backend, go to this flow shortcode options and select image and text. And here we have the option to upload an image. Once again, it can either be an image from my computer or it can be an image from the media library. So at this point, what I want to do is just select an image from my media library, which will be this image over here. And I'll click on use this image. Next off, I want to select align it right or left. I'll leave it at my left side. Page width, you can basically divide the page width. So if we take a look at this page width, you'll see that the width of our page is pretty much the width of our image slider and text. So you can separate and divide 50% of the page to be dedicated to your text and 50% dedicated to your image. Now, because my image is actually not that wide, I want to give it only 30%. Alright, and then within the text description, I'll just get some dummy text and just add it here. So then click on insert shortcode, click on update, and let's just go here and refresh this page and see what we come up with. Alright, so as you see here, here's my image, and here I have this text. Alright, if I were to leave it at the default settings as it was, I can just change my image width over here. I change it to 50%. I'll click on update, refresh this page, and you'll see what happens. I have this extra space over here, which is related technically to this image, and this text takes up only 50% of the space, but because my image is not wide enough to cover this space over here, that's why I essentially chose only 30%. Now, if at any point we were to choose a larger image, and let me just remove this one, and let's select a different image, an image that would be a little bit wider than what we currently have. So let's just select this image here. You can see that it's 1800 pixels wide. So we'll click on use this image, get this text on to the left, and if we add only 50%, okay, we'll click on update. Let's just refresh this page. And you'll see that our image takes up 50% of the page and our text takes up the remaining 50% of the page. If you want to, you can always change that percentage type by changing the number here where it says image width. We can change it to 75%. We'll click on update, refresh this page, and you'll see that we have our image taking up even more space at this point. Alright, so what you can do with this shortcode is essentially if you're just creating, for example, like a testimonials page or something like that, you can add multiple testimonials and align your images to the right and left. So what you want to do is just basically, I'll just show you a quick example over here and just add this one over here, and then where it says align image left, I'll type in right and leave it at 50%, and we'll click on update. Let's refresh this page, and here we have the shortcode pretty much duplicated, but you'll see one image is to the left and then the other image is to the right. So these are the options that you have with our flow shortcode, and it's called image and text, but we do hope this video helps.